Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Payhip URL link. Updating your Payhip link is simply a matter of changing the username associated with your account. That username appears at the end of your public store URL, so selecting the right one helps customers find and remember you, and it keeps your brand consistent across platforms. Start by opening the Payhip dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log in so you land on your main dashboard page. This is your home base for managing products, orders, and store settings. Look toward the top right of the screen to find the account area. It may appear as your profile name or an avatar icon. Click it to open the account menu, which is where key options for your profile and store are grouped together. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a page where you can manage store details, preferences, and the username that controls your public URL. On the Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Username. This is the field that determines the link to your Payhip storefront. Take a moment to consider what you want here. Short, clear, and brand-aligned names work best. Avoid spaces and special characters, and try to stick to letters, numbers, and, if needed, simple separators that Payhip allows. Consistency matters, so aim for a name that matches your brand across your website and social profiles. Click into the username field and edit the text to your preferred name. If the name you choose is already taken or doesn't meet Payhip's requirements, you'll see an on-screen prompt to try a different variation. A quick tweak, like a slight abbreviation or a number you already use in your branding, often does the trick. When you're happy with the new username, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Payhip will apply the change to your account, and your store URL will update accordingly. The new link typically follows the format that includes your updated username, making your storefront accessible under the new address instantly. Remember, changing your username updates the link customers use to reach your store and product pages. If you share your Payhip link on social media, email signatures, or your website, plan to refresh those spots so people don't hit an old address. That's it. You went to your dashboard, opened the account menu, entered settings, edited the username, and saved your changes. With a clean, memorable username in place, your Payhip URL will be easier to share and simpler for customers to recall.